Good evening. Are you having a good time tonight?
Loving life, thank you. It's been
Fantastic.
amazing.
Did you enjoy the air show today?
Yes, brilliant.
And now you're at the Halulu Bar.
Halulu Bar's amazing. It's full of atmosphere, full of lovely people. It's lush.
And lovely cocktails?
Yes, great cocktails.
Fantastic. And what is your name?
Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Julie. Penelope. Peter Pan. Jennifer.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
Right, what shoes are you wearing before we go? What have you got on tonight?
Shoe sandals.
They look good. What have you got on? See under there?
Sensible shoes.
Okay.
Walking home. Gemma's got flip-flops on.
Right.
Flippy flops.
Looking good. Have we got any shout-outs to anyone before we go?
No.
Any friends or family? No?
No, we do, but no, we don't want to shout them out. We're out for Girly Day. Shout out to Be Happy Girly Day. Girly Day. Girly Day.
Let's bring up the Halulu Bar.
Halulu Bar. Woo!
You've got a fantastic view here. And I'll say goodbye and peace out. Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out.